welcome back, salespeople. So this is going to be a quick video to show how to get clients to buy more from you. Stick around. So what we're talking about is a very simple psychological implementation into sales. And here's how it works. This is a product, or this is a psychological thing that's been worked through with movie theaters, to car washes, to fast food restaurants, and everywhere that people can sell things. It really is everywhere. And it's very simple. Once we get people past the do I want to buy this stage and they're in buying mode, now what we have to do is work on that. Can I afford this? What's my budget? We need to work past that and work towards the psychological where we want people to buy, right? And this is very simple. Again, basically what it is you have three options, right? Think about movie theater popcorn, right? So in the movie theater, you go to a movie theater and you buy a small popcorn, or you can buy a regular popcorn, or you can buy a large popcorn, like this giant popcorn that no one's ever going to finish, and it's just ridiculous. And basically what you're doing is you're breaking apart the options to your customers to give them direction and push them towards the offer that you want them to buy, the middle offer, right? So the medium popcorn. Really psychologically, there's going to be a couple of people, so probably 15 to 20% of people are going to buy the giant popcorn, right? It's ridiculous. No one really needs it, but make that offer that you sell your customers, this giant, luxurious, all-inclusive offer, right? You might get 15, 20% of your sales that's going to take this offer, which is fantastic, right? Your revenue on that offer is great. On the other end of the spectrum, you've got the small popcorn, right? Again, you'll get 15, 20% of people that are going to buy this small popcorn. Make this product something that's very introductory though. People are still interested in it, you still get some sales, but it's not the big score, right? It's not the score that you're really looking for. And then that middle offer, right? That medium popcorn. This is the one that 60 to 70% of your sales are going to buy. And this is the one that you want them to buy, right? So psychologically, by giving them an introductory or entry-level small popcorn option, give them the giant, luxurious, all-inclusive large popcorn option, and giving them medium, most things are included, really well-rounded offer, medium popcorn, gives them the ability, it gets past their psychological barrier of can I buy this and what's my budget. What we're doing is we're changing the customer's thought process from can I afford this to which one do I want, to get past that psychological barrier and make more sales. Right? So really quick, really simple solution to get more sales and provide customers with different solutions, different offers. Hopefully you learned something, guys. I'm going to keep these videos coming 5 to 7 times a week. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave comments below. I'm going to be doing some Q&A and answering comments as we continue to grow the channel. Thanks a lot.